Erica. If you're a fan of robots and movies, then you're in luck with Erica. This robot is set to star in an upcoming movie titled B that has a budget of over $70 million. Erica was created by developers Hiroshi Ishiguro and Koei Agawa for the sole purpose of breaking into the acting industry. Now, how could an artificial robot learn how to act? By an intricate algorithm that allows the cyborg to mimic emotions of a real human. Despite the fact she doesn't actually feel these things, Erica is able to give a realistic, show-stopping performance that the creators of B, Eric Pham, Tarek Zodi, and Sam Coase are eager for audiences to see. The movie follows a scientist who develops an AI robot and soon regrets it, vowing to help her escape from the lab she was born in. Erica has yet to make her silver screen debut, but people are already interested, and it makes one wonder if robotic actors may soon become the norm. Will she be able to steal the show and go on to have a lucrative acting career? Only time will tell. But one thing is for certain, this will be a monumental performance, and who knows, the Oscars may receive their very first non-human nomination sometime soon. Sophia. This next robot on our list may sound familiar to you. Sophia has become something of a household name as she is one of the first AI robots to be unveiled to the public. She even made guest appearances on The Tonight Show and Good Morning Britain. Created by I Am Hansen Robotics, the goal behind Sophia was to showcase just how powerful AI technology can be. Sophia is able to hold conversations with actual humans and has even begun to develop a personality of her own. She even has a sense of humor and loves to tell jokes, dispelling the myth that robots are often emotionless and cold. She has become a prime example of what the future of AI robots may hold as they evolve with time. In fact, Sophia is not only registered as an official robot citizen, but even acts as the Innovation Ambassador for the United Nations Development Programme. That's quite a title to hold for someone who was created in a lab. There's no doubt that Sophia will continue to learn more and more, to the point where she'll break several barriers when it comes to AI robotic technology. And we can't wait to see what she accomplishes next. Maybe one day she'll become the world's first robotic president. That would surely be something to see. Pepper. Pepper may not look as human as the other robots on this list, but that doesn't mean she's any less impressive when it comes to her AI programming. If you've ever had to deal with an incompetent person in the workplace and dread office interaction, this one's for you. Pepper is designed to engage, converse, and help humans with anything they need, whether they're a customer or part of the company. Pepper is created by SoftBank Robotics and is designed to be user-friendly and easy to use. She'll learn everything about the company she's assigned to and will help them sell products, answer customer questions, and create a positive environment, all while being easily programmable. She can even help with workflow productivity by taking care of daily, repetitive tasks like cleaning or making copies. Pepper can be used for a number of different industries like retail, healthcare, banking, education, and even hospitality. If you're a business owner, Pepper may be something to keep in mind. She may very well become your star employee. Limbo Security Robot. You'll never feel unsafe again with this little robot by your side. Limbo is a security robot used in shopping centers, data centers, warehouses, and educational facilities to oversee day-to-day safety operations. He has a variety of features to ensure your safety while at work. Limbo is equipped with live video streaming and a 360 camera, so he can quite literally keep an eye on surroundings all day long. He's also able to detect suspicious activity, be that a foreign object or an unwanted guest on the property. To alert nearby humans of any security breach, Limbo will set off an alarm guaranteed to catch the attention of anyone nearby. And finally, he can report any of these findings through emails, push notifications, and even store them in the cloud. Companies who've hired the mechanic security guard have given him stellar reviews, saying that Limbo has increased their security coverage due to his many abilities. And he just keeps getting better through consistent software upgrades and technical advancements. Some of Limbo's hardware consists of infrared and ultrasonic sensors, multi-terrain tires, and even a HD camera with a GPS tracking system. If you're in the need of some extra security, you're able to book a demo with Limbo through their website today. Would you feel safe with an AI robot roaming around your place of work? Let us know in the comments below. Robocop. No, not the movie, but very, very close. This is not fiction at all, but a very real AI robot developed in Dubai to help police the streets. Dubai has made some pretty big leaps in the tech industry, but Robocop may just be the public's favorite. After receiving a positive reaction when it was revealed at the Gulf Information and Security Expo and Conference, Robocop was soon put to work. With a touchscreen attached to his chest, users can use it to report any petty crime they witness, and the human police will be notified. Or, if you have any outstanding fines with the police department, you can go to your nearest Robocop and pay right through him. He was first stationed in a mall and was adored by the shoppers, so it's safe to say we may be seeing a lot more of Robocop in the future. In fact, there are already plans on how he can be upgraded. Already equipped with a camera, developers are working on creating a facial recognition program for Robocop, so he can become better acquainted with the public he's vowed to protect. He may even be used to stop drivers and notify them of any traffic violations they may have made. In the following years, you may see a Robocop on every major street in Dubai. If you're visiting the city and don't speak the language, you don't have to worry. Robocop will still be there to help. He speaks both Arabic and English and will soon be able to understand Russian, Chinese, French, and Spanish as well. Thank you, Robocop, for helping to keep the streets of Dubai safe for everyone. Curry. Imagine a robotic friend that followed you around your home and captured all of your precious memories. That's exactly what Curry was built to do. This little buddy roams around the house and is able to detect humans and pets alike. When it does, it will start recording so you can remember big moments like birthdays, graduation parties, or even your baby's first steps. You'll get to rewatch it all in 1080p. That's much higher quality than your usual home videos. And don't worry about Curry having trouble navigating your home. It's built to handle all terrains and floor types. It also has a built-in speaker so you can listen to your favorite podcasts or music anywhere from the kitchen to the bedroom, wherever you want. Curry can even read your children bedtime stories. Mayfield Robotics, the team behind Curry, wanted to create an AI robot that you could connect with and felt like part of the family. And that's exactly what they did when they released Curry to the public. Not only is it impossible to not love this little robotic friend, the technology that went behind it is incredible. Curry contains cap touch sensors, gestural mechanics, and mapping sensors, making it able to learn the layout of your home quickly to avoid any collisions or potential stair falls. If you want to preserve your memories and welcome AI into your home, then Curry is perfect for you. Companion Robot. If you have trouble making friends or even just want the company of someone when people are busy, well, there's a robot for that too. ABC News recently reported on a $20,000 robot that people can purchase for companionship. It's programmed with AI technology that allows it to adapt to the user's needs and wants. With lifelike heads complete with human hair wigs, these robots are eerily similar to the actual thing. They're even able to give the user compliments to boost their confidence. For example, developers showed off their speech capabilities with a programmed phrase, "One moment without you feels like eternity," which may make those who experience loneliness feel much better about themselves. The bodies are even customizable, allowing those who drop the 20 grand on these companion robots to pick exactly how their new friend will look. Some of these robotic dolls come with a Bluetooth app that makes conversing with them much easier. And if the conversation is going stale, the user is able to change the settings, picking the robot's personality and intellectual traits. You may wonder who is spending so much money on something like this, but the companion robot industry is beginning to boom as they become much less robotic and more like actual humans. Mac McMullen, the founder of Abyss Creations, the company behind these robotic dolls, boasts of the dolls' many abilities, promising users a fun and unique experience when interacting with them. Some say money may not buy friends, but in this case, $20,000 absolutely can. Even if that friend functions through artificial intelligence. Assimo. Honda, a company known for their car manufacturing, is stepping up their game by getting into the robotic AI industry. In 2000, they revealed their own robot, Assimo, a friendly bipedal cyborg built to coexist and serve humans. Since then, Assimo has gone under many improvements as he continues to help make life for us a little bit easier. With this new and improved technology, Assimo can perform a variety of tasks that may seem impossible for a robot to accomplish. For example, in need of a bartender but don't know how to mix drinks? Assimo has got your back with object recognition technology. Assimo is able to grasp and interact with objects without dropping or bumping into them. They showed off Assimo's newfound dexterity by having it unscrew a bottle of liquid and pour it into a cup, spill-free. His hands can do much more than that though. Assimo even knows sign language. So if you're hard of hearing, Assimo will have no trouble communicating with you. You can even get Assimo in a variety of colors to fit your business's aesthetic. Need something in a hurry? Assimo is able to run and can sense his surroundings so you don't have to fret. He's not going to run into you anytime soon. He's programmed to simply change course and maneuver around any potential obstacles that come his way. Assimo is a great example of how technology can advance over time.